Hey, it's Lizelle. If you ever sat there thinking, how on earth are people making money online? I get it. A few years ago, I was in the exact same spot. I didn't even know digital marketing existed. I was running my beauty salon, working crazy hours, and honestly, just trying to keep up with the bills. Here's the real story. I wasn't actually looking for another business. I was exhausted. But one day, my middle daughter came back from school with a letter to say she's not allowed to return to school if we don't pay the outstanding fees. I remember feeling so crushed, sitting there, blaming my circumstances, blaming COVID, and even blaming God. Life just felt so unfair. But in that moment, I also realized no one's coming to save me. I had to do something about it. So I started searching, started Googling how to make money online. And I discovered a lot of people, regular people like me, are making money online in the digital marketing space by simply posting to social media. But to be honest, I was very skeptical. But I decided to try. Within weeks, I made my first sale. I was able to leave my full-time 9-to-5 job in 5 weeks. That's when I knew. This wasn't just going to be some side hustle. This was actually going to change my family's life. Now let me explain what I do. Digital marketing is really this, connecting people with something that they're already looking for online, a solution that they're looking for. So instead of opening a new store, working 12-hour plus days, I sell digital products. Things like online courses, tools, and templates that they can download. The best part about this is there's no stock, no paying employees, no huge capital outlay, and you can literally do this 100% from your phone. And no one needs to know this is you. And because it's digital, you only need to create a digital product once and get paid over and over and over for it. Or you can start with a digital product that you bought, that you got the resale rights for, that you can sell over and over again. So if you're sitting there wondering if this is possible for you, the answer is yes. You don't need to be techie, you don't need your own product, and you certainly don't need a big social media following. I actually started with a brand new TikTok account. That was my very first account when I started. And I made over $100,000 online in my first 7 months. All that you need is actually a system that's already built for you. This is the fastest way to success. A product that people want and the right coaching so that you don't waste months trying to figure it out on your own. And that is exactly what I help students do. I give them a done-for-you digital system so they can plug in and earn faster. So here's what I want you to do. Go grab the link below to my free guide. I'm going to explain to you in 10 minutes and show you exactly how this works. Our normal, regular 9-to-5ers, moms, and real beginners are starting to earn online. And if you're ready to get started with the system that made me over 5 million in South African Rand, which is over $300,000, I'll drop that link to you below. Don't wait like I did. What you do now is going to determine how the next 3 months are going to look like for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this inspiring, hit the subscribe button below. I'll be sharing weekly videos to help you start and grow your online business.